Today we're looking at a sectional garage door or panel lift door that has had some damage from impact from a vehicle, definitely from the outside as the denting is inwards. Now, can we get it to look as good as new again, just like the neighbour's door? As you can see, this one is in pristine condition. The simple answer in this case is no. The denting is quite severe. In this case, it's very warped and it has stretched the steel panel, and it's pretty much impossible to work back into a flat condition. So we're just going to have to measure this one up for a couple of new panels. There's two panels damaged here. So the first thing we need to do is measure the height of the bottom panel. This one comes with the bottom weather seal, so it's a tad more expensive than the other panels. So that's about 550 millimeters. Now we'll measure the width of the opening, and then you just add 60 millimeters to that, and that's the panel size. But we can also check from inside. Oh yeah, that's a B&D panel, so this is the most expensive replacement panels on the market. So unlucky for this owner here. And of course, we'll just measure the intermediate or second panel above that one. There's actually 4 panels on this sectional door. So you can actually divide the height by 4, and that will usually give you the panel height. So as you can see, the warping is quite severe in certain lighting conditions. There's no way we'd be able to work that out to become flat again. It's a bit like a piece of Glad wrap, or I think they call it saran wrap overseas. Once you stretch it out a bit, you just can't get it to look the same again. It's pretty much ruined, and especially with the ColourBond paint, you can't really heat it up and work it like a vehicle. It'll just damage it beyond repair and make it look probably worse. So we're just gonna have to write down the measurements and order maybe 2 new panels, but we also need to double check the color as well. So we'll grab our color chips. You can actually grab these from Bunnings. Grab a handful, and it gives you all the ColourBond colors in fencing and doors. So I suspect this one would be woodland grey. Everything else looks a bit light or a bit too blue. So now these are still a little bit difficult to match up exactly, but if you get the right lighting conditions to match both the card and the panel, it will match up pretty well. So in certain lighting conditions it does look a bit blue, but when you get them on the same angle, it will match up pretty good. So yeah, the rest of these greys have quite a lot of blue in them. So yeah, it's definitely woodland grey. As you can see, once you get the angle of the card correct, it does match up pretty good. But we can also check the sticker inside the door if you've got access inside the garage. That's the rendered colour as well. So on the side of the door, there's also a sticker, so we've got the measurements and colour on that anyway. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.